Hi, my name is Sonya Adcock, and today I'm going to talk to you about your camera raw filter in Photoshop. You can use it to create an image that looks like it was shot at night, when it was really shot during the day. Here's my straight out of the camera image. Now I used several steps to create this image. Today I'm just going to talk to you about one of those steps, the camera raw filter. To get started, you're going to open your photo in Photoshop and you're going to duplicate your layer. If you have layers underneath, you're going to hit Control or Command, Alt or Option, Shift E. If you don't have any layers underneath, just hit Control Alt J, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to call this Night. Now, come up here to Filter, and you're going to convert for smart filters. This is a very neat option that Photoshop offers so that any edits that you do, you can go back and change. And I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Next, you'll come back up to Filter and you'll hit the Camera Raw filter or Shift Control A. And that's going to open this window here. Now here you can adjust all kinds of things. I'm just going to deal today with the temperature, and I'm going to lower my temperature to -58. All right, and I'm going to take my exposure down a little to make it look more like nighttime. I'm going to lower this to -1.68. And last, I'm going to lower my saturation to -74. So it's not quite so vibrant. And there, that's about just what I want. And click OK. Now, too much of my image is blue. It does look like it's nighttime, but I want to bring out my subject and the foreground a little more. So what I can do is paint on this Smart Filter mask. I'm going to zoom in, paint in black so that I can reveal what's underneath using a fuzzy brush. I'm going to zoom out a little so I can see more of what I'm doing. And just paint it in so that now that foreground is really coming through. Now I'm going to lower the opacity on my brush just a little and just blend it in nicely so it gradually fades into the background. And right over here later on I'm going to put a moon, so I want it a little brighter there where the light would be coming through. There's one more thing that I wanted to show you, and that was because we created this as a smart filter, we can come back into the camera raw and still tweak things. So I can lower my exposure, change the temperature, whatever I want if I change my mind as I'm going through my edit. I'm not going to change anything at this point. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please play around with it and give me some feedback. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks. Bye.